Welcome gang, SkyPilot here. Thanks for stopping by on my Pokey channel. Welcome to the maiden voyage of the Happymodel, Larva X HD. Check out my last video, Betaflight connection, binding, specs. Today I'm going to jump straight into it, do some line of sight and get it up in the air and have a bit of a fling around. Cortex baby turtle. Today I'll be shooting at 1080p, 60 frames a second, and of course you got it micro SD recording capable, so we're going to capture some awesome footage on that micro SD, which is going to be playing on the screen for you guys as well. Thanks for stopping by. Okay, and we're off. Fairly quiet props. Feels pretty good on the takeoff. I did fly this yesterday for about 5 seconds in the horrendous wind, so this is quite new to me. Alright, let's do a quick punch out. That sounds pretty good. Alrighty. Scared the birds. You can see that HD recording light going. Pretty decent response on the throttle there. It's not too jabby. She requires a little bit of movement to get her going, so that's actually good for me. Let's go to the FPV, get some HD footage going. We'll have the SkyZone DVR footage up on the screen, and we'll have the Larva X footage up on the screen. Display on your goggles, you can actually see it's recording up on the top right there, so that's really cool. And we're off. It's certainly quite a zippy little fly. Straight off it feels really nice. I'm just going to zip up and I'm going to capture some aerial footage. I won't flip, roll and tumble too much. That's a decent little flyer. Nice on the sticks, guys. Very nice.
RF signal low. RF signal low. RF signal low. RF signal critical. RF signal low. RF signal low.
Awesome gang, a great little flyer, that's way cool. A terrific little flyer, Happymodel Larva X. It's captured some pretty decent footage there up on the screen for you guys to have a look at. Hey, any questions about this unit? Yeah, drop me a comment, I'm happy to answer them. Otherwise, if you like this video, yeah, smash on that thumbs up. Check out the links below. Grab yourself a 12% discount with the coupon that you can see down below for this, guys. Do yourself a favour, she is a beauty. I'm going to keep flying and yeah, get the feel of this thing. Great stuff. Thanks for dropping. Sky Pilot, sit in the sky. Catch you later. Bye for now.